Steve, I've got a question related to the U-turns.
Sure.
Like most of the times, like we overseas license holders, like not aware of any of the roads, so we prefer going through the Google Maps.
Yeah.
And it has happened with me quite a few times, and I'm sure somebody like me also would have experienced it. The Google Map says I have to take a U-turn in the next coming, not like a junction, but yes. But when I actually go there, when I'm driving, I see that there is no such U-turn allowed. So is it really safe to take, or should I be taking it? He's put a left indicator. So
Straight through, by the way,
it.
switch off. I'll tell you in a moment. Straight through.
Yeah.
Left indicator now. Okay, mirror. Okay, so Google Maps are fine, but you have to understand its limitations.
Okay.
Okay, so they're not fully reliable, okay?
Yes.
So you really need to use your logic rather than listen, to
Right.
what it believes, So it's not perfect, put it that way. Turn left here, and I see that all the time. So I would really make a decision based on logics and obviously, a good understanding of how the traffic flows and other road users within your proximity, okay?
Yeah.
So that's really important, and indicating early and not cutting across sharply whatever you're doing, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So U-turns at traffic lights, unless it says U-turn permitted, it's not. It's got to have a sign underneath the traffic lights that states clearly U-turn permitted to do it. Because you might cop a fine if there's a camera on that set of lights, you know?
Okay.
Otherwise, you have to have a separate lane, okay? You have to have separate lane. Hopefully I'll be able to show that later on. But let's turn left. I need to show you this one, okay?